I have read from the Philippine Daily Inquirer that your company is now hiring for a female data encoder that's knowledgeable in computer application and troubleshooting, with good human relations and with pleasing personality. I am interested to apply on that position. That's why I sent you my self-made review application and enclosed resume. I am JC Ann Almansor Senyorin, 18 years of age, 5'10" height, from Masudsod, Concepcion, Romblon. Recently residing at 106 Interior Rizal Street, Barangay Tres, Lipa. I want to apply in that position, and I believe that I am sufficiently suitable for that position. I attended my tertiary level at Lipa City Public College at Lipa City with a course of ladderized education program for BSSCS. I got my certificate of accomplishment on my on-the-job training at 200 hours at Asian Pacific Group of Companies at Marawi, Lipa City. During my on-the-job training, I spent my time on data encoding and computer documentation. I also made some paperwork. I also enhanced my ability in troubleshooting. I am knowledgeable in computer application concerning documentation in MS Word and computation in MS Excel and multimedia presentation in MS PowerPoint. I can also do different business papers in every business transaction. I can encode 40 words within 1 minute. I am also knowledgeable in computer application and troubleshooting. I also perform computer maintenance. I can also detect computer errors, both hardware and software related. I am also dedicated with my job. I don't want my paperwork to be pending. I am also able to speak and write both Filipino and English language fluently. My technical skills are described in the enclosed resume will be submitted to your company. I would be glad to meet you at your convenient time and discuss how my education and experience match your needs. You can reach me at my cell phone number 0919-3740-856 or email me at joy_leo@yahoo.com. I am hoping for your preparable approach. Thank you.